Hey guys, so what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be showing you how to do the typing station. I know it is a brand new station and I know there's lots of clicking and moving and tabs, and so I'm going to walk you through it by showing you on my desktop what that looks like. So you're going to get a Chromebook and you're going to go to your Google Classroom. I'm going to use Ms. Zuniga's class. You're going to go, so my Google Classroom for our class. From there, you're going to click on Fit. And then from there, you're going to go to the Fit Stations page that I created. Now, if you notice, it's a new tab. Okay, from here, you're going to, here are the instructions for the typing station. Okay, so in case you forget it, this is where you can go again. So then it says to open up your Reader Response Journal document in your Google Drive. So what you're going to do is you're going to open up a new tab, and hopefully your waffle should show up. Okay, remember this is the waffle. If your waffle does not show up, just type in Google up here in the search bar and it should, or Google Drive, and it should show up. So you're going to click your waffle, click on Drive, not syrup, Drive. And then in your Google Drive, once it loads, there's going to be a folder labeled Classroom. If it will open up. There it is. All right, so there's going to be a folder labeled Classroom. Now, I have a lot more folders than you guys, but you're going to double click on the Classroom folder. Then you're going to double click again on the Classroom folder for my class. So for Zuniga's homeroom, that's Zuniga 1718. For my homeroom, that's Klingsik 1718. So double click on that folder. And in that folder, there is going to be a document that looks like this. Okay, and it's going to say your name and then the Reader Response Journal. You're going to double click on that document. And this is the document that I was talking about when I asked you to pull up your Reader Response Journal. Okay, now if we go back to our instructions while that loads, number 2 says start a new page and fill out the header. So you're going to go back to your document, and I'm scrolling with 2 fingers when I do this. Oh, where is it? Okay. All right, so this is the top of my template. What you're going to do is with one finger clicking down on the touchpad, you're going to click and hold. With another finger, you're going to drag over the text that you want to highlight, and see how it turns all blue? And then you're going to let go. So now I have both fingers up. What I'm now going to do is I'm going to push Control CTRL C. Control C as in cat. That has copied it. I'm now going to click with one finger back at the word template. From there, I'm going to push Control CTRL, Enter. Let go. Okay, and now I have a new page. I'm going to scroll back up to the top of that blank page, and I'm going to click. Now I'm going to push Control CTRL V, Control V as in vulture. I've now pasted the information that I need to for the new Reader Response Journal page. All right, go back to my Fit Stations. Okay, I've started a new page and I filled out the header. I'm now going to choose a question from this document. You're going to click on that document. It has opened up a new tab. And you are going to read through these questions. Now, if you're reading a fiction text, you're going to choose one of these 4. Any of those 4 questions. If you're reading a nonfiction text, you're going to read any of those 4. Choose one of those. So let's say I am reading a nonfiction text. Again, I'm going to click and hold with one finger. Oh, I'm going to actually get it where on the question I want. Click and hold. With my other finger, I'm going to drag it across the text that I want to copy. I'm going to let go when it's blue. I'm now going to push Control CTRL C, Control C to copy. I'm going to now go back to my reader response journal. I'm going to click next to question. And now I'm going to push Control CTRL V, Control V for vulture to paste. That is all we're going to do. Now I'm going to actually start typing my answer. So I would fill out today's date. I'd put the book I'm going to answer. And here where I have my response, I'm going to write 5 good sentences to the question I just pasted. All right, hopefully that has helped explain how to use Google Docs and how to navigate all these different tabs. If you have any questions, first thing I need you to do is ask your partner. Okay, see if they can figure it out. If you guys still don't know what to do, then you can raise your hand and I will come over and help you. All right, thanks guys for doing so great.